Hey there, welcome. Here I'll be showing you how to download any video from any website with ease. This process works in any smart device, be it tablet, laptop or smartphone. Now make sure you have Chrome, Google Chrome. Now let's dive right in. Open your Google Chrome. Now type in on the search bar the website you want to download a video from. Wait for it to open. Now here is this video from this website. In order to download this video, click on that video. Now press on the video, then click on download video. As you can see, it is downloading. You see it here. Let us check the downloading section. You see the video is still downloading. Now wait for it to download completely. As you can see, the video is completely downloaded. Now let's know how it works. Let's play the video. Now click on the video to play it. Now click on play. As you can see, I have downloaded this video completely. In order to share it, click on this share icon on the top side. Now share it to any platform you want. Here, share it to any platform you want. You see it. That's how to download video from any website with ease. Let me see you on the next video. And also, that's how to download any video from any website with ease. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, I'm Gentle Shadow, and this channel is Gentle Shadow Videos _tech. Also, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because I based on giving you the best latest tech and also AI too. See you on the next video.